What's up, guys? It's Josh. We're back here in the Parker Performance Garage, and tonight I'm bringing you another update for our Ecoboost customers. Tonight we're featuring the CV Fab hot and cold side charge pipes. We've got these in-house here because these are getting ready to go on Ricardo's car. You know, the Grabber Blue Girl, Ratchet. We are doing some upgrades to the car right now. We've got it apart for a head gasket, a wastegate, and a fuel system upgrade. Big announcement coming about that. But right now we're going to go ahead and upgrade his charge pipes to the CV Fab units here. One of the things here on the on the cold side is that we have the ability for meth port here. Ricky's considering looking at other options for fueling so that he can increase his power, so this is a good selection here. And then here on the hot side, one of the things that's the important piece here that we're upgrading is a lot of guys will ask us about blow-off valves. I don't typically recommend a blow-off valve until you're looking for big power because you wind up spending that money twice, in my opinion. Most of the time the guys will be spending money on the TurboSmart Compact Shorty. That's a little kit, comes with a checked engine light defender and the boost reference adapter, which is a great opportunity for somebody who's just looking for stock 93 octane, nothing crazy, you know, stock turbo 350-ish horsepower, right? Once you start getting into the 400, 450 additional horsepower numbers that you're chasing, you're going to need to upgrade the charge pipe here. You're going to look at the 50mm opening here for the TurboSmart Race Port blow-off valve. That can also be used with Tial. Tial and TurboSmart, I think, are the two currently. But anyway, so this is going to move way more volume. It's going to allow all the compressed air to come out much faster, so that you have much less opportunity for compressor surge across that turbo of yours. So anyway, this is going on Ricky's car here. We're going to have a installation video for you. It attaches to the CV Fab race core that's already on the car. One good thing for you guys, if you're coming from a stock charge pipe on the CV Fab race core, you've gone through the damage of having to stretch those on with the CV Fab charge pipes kit. This is a slightly larger diameter, so it should be a little easier install for you. But anyway, check it out below. We'll put a product link down below that you can purchase from, and thanks as always. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? If you've made it this far in the video, listen, man, we really appreciate your support. We just ask that if you could take a look at any of the products that we've mentioned in today's video at our website at www.pp-fl.com. We appreciate your support. We love that you guys support our small business. We really want to be able to bring you the best products, the best services, and some of the best content. So make sure you check us out at all of our social media. You need to hit the like button. You need to hit the subscribe button. You got to follow us on Facebook. You got to follow us on Instagram. All that stuff will be down below. Thanks as always. We'll see you soon.